Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to explain how you can replace or change a background image or images in general in your websites and pages on Squarespace. So let us get started. Head over to your website project on Squarespace and let me access, for example, the home page of my website project here. So click into Edit in the top left corner to access the editing tool. And after that, simply browse or scroll through your page, navigate through to find the image you would like to replace. In this case, let us go with that background image here. So what you want to do, guys, is select the given element with your left mouse and you will see that bounding box here on the given here. And after that, guys, you will see also that list of tabs here in the top left corner. So what you want to do is click into that pencil icon to edit your background image. And after that, you will see the thumbnail of that image here and also the file name here. So you can, for example, remove it or replace it. So let me click into replace. And after that, decide where you would like to upload your new background image from, like from your device, from the Squarespace library, or from stock image sites. That's totally up to you guys. So let me go with upload file here. And after that, locate the given file in JPEG or PNG on your device. So let me go with that photo. Wait for the upload process to be finished. And there you go. As you can see, your new image or background image has replaced the previous one with the exact same resolution, as you can see, guys, but you can adjust, of course, the position and the size of your image or resize it by clicking into its edges or corners, for example. Move it here along your page, and yeah, click into edit here to edit it even more, to apply various effects, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how you replace images and photos on Squarespace. Don't forget to click into save here in the top left corner to save your changes. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.